Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GK Notebook. The topic of today's video is Indus Valley Civilization. It is the part of ancient history and quite important for your exam. I have taken up 85 questions which would cover the major areas of the topic. Before starting, I want to say please share, like and subscribe my channel GK Notebook. Now coming to question number 1. Name the first discovered site of Indus civilization. The answer is Harappa. Question number 2. What is the oldest name of this civilization? The oldest name is Indus civilization. Question number 3. What is the most suitable name of this civilization? The answer is Indus Saraswati civilization, and why? Because 80% of the settlement was along the river Saraswati. Now question number 4. What is the most accepted period of Indus civilization? It is 2500 BC to 1750 BC, and it was calculated by the C14 dating method. Question number 5. Name the first scholar to use the term Indus civilization. The answer is John Marshall. Question number 6. To which period the Indus civilization belongs? So it belonged to the proto-historic period, that is the Chalcolithic age or the Bronze Age. Coming to question 7. To which places Indus civilization was spread over? So the answer is Sindh, Baluchistan, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Western Uttar Pradesh and Northern Maharashtra. Question 8. What was the heartland of Indus civilization? So the answer is Harappa, Ghaggar, Mohenjo-daro axis. Question 9. What was the northernmost site of Indus civilization? So earlier it was Ropar, Satluj, Punjab, but now it is Manda near river Chenab, Jammu and Kashmir. Now 10. What was the southernmost site of Indus civilization? Earlier it was Bhagatrap, Kim, Gujarat, but now it is Daimabad, Prawar, Maharashtra. Question 11. What was the easternmost site of Indus civilization? The answer is Alamgirpur, Hindon, Uttar Pradesh. Question 12. What was the westernmost site of Indus civilization? The answer is Sutka Gendor or Dashk near Makran coast, Pakistan, Iran border. Question 13. Name the capital cities of Indus civilization. So it is Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Question 14. Name the port cities of Indus civilization. The answer is Lothal, Sutka Gendor, Aladino, Balakot and Kuntasi. Question 15. Name the river, district, state, country of Harappa site. So the river is the Ravi River, Sahiwal district in Punjab, Pakistan. Question 16. Who discovered Harappa and when? So Harappa was discovered by D.R. Sahni in 1921. Question 17. Who discovered Mohenjo-daro and when? The answer is R.D. Banerjee in 1922. 18. Which site is also called Nakhlistan or Oasis of Sindh? The answer is Mohenjo-daro. Question 19. Name the river, district, state and country of Mohenjo-daro site. The answer is Indus River, Larkana district, Sindh, Pakistan. Coming to question 20. Name the river, district, state and country of Chanhu-daro site. The answer is Indus River, Nawab Shah district, Sindh, Pakistan. Question 21. Name the river, district, state and country of Lothal site. So it is Bhogava River, Ahmedabad district, Gujarat, India. Next, question 22. What is called as the bangles of black color? So the Kalibanga site is called as the bangles of black color. 23. Name the river, district, state and country of Kalibanga. So it is Ghaggar River, Hanumangarh district, Rajasthan, India. Question 24. Name the river, district, state and country of Banavali. It is Ghaggar River, Fatehabad district, Haryana, India. Question 25. Name the river, district, state and country of Dholavira. It is Luni River, Kutch district, Gujarat, India. Question 26. Mention important archaeological finds of Harappa site. It is 6 granaries in a row, Virgin Goddess seal, lingam and yoni stone symbols, workman's quarter. These are the important archaeological finds of. Now question 27. What is the largest building of Indus civilization? It is Great Bath, Mohenjo-daro. Question 28. Mention important finds of Mohenjo-daro. Great Granary, Great Bath, Pashupati Mahadev, Proto-Shiva seal, bronze image of nude woman, stay-tight bearded man and 1398 seals. Question 29. In which site 56% of total seals of civilization was found? The answer is 1398 seals in Mohenjo-daro. Question 30. Where was dockyard found? The answer is Lothal. Question 31. Where was rice husk and double burial found? It is Lothal. And where was terracotta figurine of a horse found? It is Lothal. So the rice husk, double burial and terracotta figurine of a horse was found at Lothal. Coming to question 33. Where were fire altars found? It is Lothal. And where was ploughed field and 7 fire altars found? In Kalibanga. Question 35. Name the site which had lack of chessboard or gridiron pattern town planning. The answer is Banavali. And question 36. Where was lack of systematic drainage system? The answer is Banavali. Question 37. Which site is called a city without a citadel? Answer is Chanhu-daro. 38. Where was terracotta model of a bullock cart found? The answer is Chanhu-daro. 39. Site with unique water harnessing system is Dholavira, and name the only site to be divided into 3 parts is Dholavira. Question 41. Where was bones of horses found? It was found at Surkotada, Kutch district, Gujarat. And name the largest site of Indus civilization. The answer is Mohenjo-daro. Question 43. Name the largest Indian site of Indus civilization. Answer is Rakhi Garhi. 44. Where was giant water reservoirs found? Answer is Dholavira. 45. What were the common features of major cities? Town planning, grid system, burnt brick used in construction, underground drainage system, fortified citadel. And 46. What were the main crops of Indus civilization? Answer is wheat and barley. 47. Where was an evidence of cultivation of rice found? Answer is Lothal and Rangpur. And 48. Who were the first to produce cotton in the world? Answer is the Indus people. 49. Which animal was not known to the Indus people? Answer is lion. And from which place a single instance of rhinoceros has been reported? Answer is Amari. 51. From which places the foreign trade flourished? Answer is Mesopotamia or Sumeria, that is modern Iraq, Bahrain. 52. Gold was imported from which place? Answer is Kolar, Karnataka, Afghanistan and Persia or Iran. 53. Copper was imported from which place? Answer is Khetri, Rajasthan, Baluchistan and Arabia. And 54. Tin was imported from which place? Answer is Afghanistan and Bihar. 55. Lapis lazuli and sapphire was imported from which place? Answer is Badakhshan, Afghanistan. And steatite was imported from Shahar-e-Sokhta, Iran and Kirthar Hills, Pakistan. 57. Beads were exported from which site? Answer is Chanhudaro. And 58. Conch shell was exported from which site? Answer is Lothal. 59. Which metal was not known to the Indus people? Answer is iron. And what name was given to the Indus region in Sumerian text? The answer is Meluha. 61. Name two Indus sites found in Afghanistan. Answer is Shatughai and Mundigak. And name two Mesopotamian places where Harappan seals were found. Answer is Susa and Ur. Coming to question 63. Name two intermediate stations which the Sumerian texts refer to. Answer is Dilmum in Bahrain and Makan or Makran coast. And what was cotton called by Greeks? It was called as Sindon. Question 65. Name the ancient port of Indus civilization. Answer is Lothal. And 66. What kind of civilization was Indus Valley? It was an urban civilization. Coming to question 67. What was the normal method of exchange of goods in Indus civilization? The answer is barter system. And who were the ruling authority in Indus civilization? The answer is class of merchants. 69. Have any temples been found in Indus civilization? The answer is no. And 70. What was the most commonly found figurine in Indus civilization? So it was Mother Goddess, Matri Devi or Shakti, prevalence of Yoni worship. 71. Who was the chief male deity? The answer is Pashupati Mahadev, the lord of animals or Proto-Shiva. And Proto-Shiva represented in seals are surrounded by which animal? In yogic posture, surrounded by 4 animals: elephant, tiger, rhino, buffalo, 2 deer at his feet, and lingam worship was prevalent. 73. What was the oldest form of worship in India? So it is Shiv Shakti worship. And 74. The Shiv Shakti worship was part of religious belief of which people? The answer is Harappan people. And also humped bull was very relevant at that time. 75. What other form of worship was followed by Indus people? The answer is Zuletry or animal worship and tree worship. For example, people was worshipped. Now, what kind of script was used on seals? The answer is pictographic script. 77. What kind of writing was found in Kalibanga? So Bostrophodon writing was found, which is written from right to left and then from left to right in alternate rhymes, referred to as Proto-Dravidian. And what was mainly used in the manufacture of seals? So steatite was mainly used in the manufacture of seals. 79. What is represented in most of the Indus seals? So answer is humpless bull. And what was the most common method of disposal of death? It was inhumation or complete burial. Question 81. Who accused Indra of causing decline of Indus civilization? The answer is M. Wheeler. And 82. The origin of swastika symbol can be traced to which civilization? It is Indus civilization. 83. Which Ved speaks of a battle at a place named Hariyumpia? The answer is Rig Ved. 84. According to majority of scholars, who were the makers of this civilization? The answer is Dravidian. And name the contemporary civilization of Indus civilization. The answer is Mesopotamia, Egypt and China. Thank you so much. If you like my video, then please subscribe, share and like my channel GK Notebook. And stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.